Hello guys, welcome to YouTube channel Phone Money. In today's video, we are doing the quick tips, tricks, and features and settings unboxing video of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and we are going to start from the most interesting features. You can see the artificial intelligence, the new set of features. So let's start off from the first one. So that's the interpreter feature. So actually, we can set two languages. You can see English and Hindi. So if I speak in Hindi, you can the automatic or it would translate to the English to the next person. So I would be speaking two of them as a demo for now. आप कैसे हो? You can see how are you is written over there.
यात्रा करने के लिए उपयोग करें.
Where can I get directions to the nearest bakery?
मुझे निकटतम बेकरी के लिए निर्देश कहाँ मिल सकते हैं?
यहाँ से कितना किलोमीटर दूरी है?
How many kilometers is from here?
Thank you so much for your help.
आपकी मदद के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
See, this is the live interpreter, so you always have a translator just besides you. So that's the interpreter works. I'm gonna type a message. So you can see a long text is over here. And the thing is, if you just tap over here and you can see this AI icon, if you just tap over here and you can have three styles. One is a chat translation. That means you can translate this right from to Hindi. So if I just send auto to Hindi is there. So this is an English test. And if I just click send, see, automatically the complete text is transferred to Hindi. So that's really fast. And the next thing is, if I just again copy this message, let me copy this, and if I again paste this one over here, and if I again tap over here, you can see writing style. You can have different types of styles, like professional one, like you can see this is the original one, and you can see a professional one, and then we can see a casual one, then we have a social media one, then a polite one, and apart from that then a emojify one, and that's it. So you can just doing just a single tab, you can do this much. And one more thing is there, that's exactly the Grammarly do. So you can see if you just tap over here, again tap in the same location, spelling and grammar. If you tap over there, you can see if there is any spelling mistake. Let me make a spelling mistake along side, along SDE, and successor. Let me change the spelling. Marketed, develop, and market. Let us check whether this could run. Spelling and grammar, checking your text. Okay, you can see developed, marketed, successor, and alongside. See, these are perfectly, all the spelling mistakes is corrected in just a single tap. So that's really cool. So I just love this feature too much. So that's the next implementation, and the next implementation is in the voice messages. So that means if I just turn on the voice messages and voice recorder, sorry, and if I just record an audio. Hello guys, today we are going to review the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This is the titanic grey color of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, featuring a 200 MP main camera, 50 MP new telephoto, periscope telephoto sense, and then we have a 10 MP telephoto camera, and then we have a 12 MP ultra wide, and we have a LiDAR scanner over here for the better depth detection and all, and then we are getting a 12 MP selfie camera for the selfies and all, and the screen resolution is quad HD resolution for the display with 120 Hz of refresh rate and a maximum peak brightness of 2600 nits. And that's it regarding this Galaxy S24 Ultra review. So we have make an audio, so that's, let's click me one, and I just save it. And if I just tap this one, and you can see instantly the transcribe option is here. I just tap the transcribe, and it would, you can add the languages. You can see several languages are here, and if I select the Hindi over here, and so you can see if I just transcribe, you can see Hindi is the language, and I just transcribe, you can see analyzing recording to the voices to text, and you can see automatically whatever I said, it would be automatically transferred to Hindi. And the next interesting feature is there is summary features. That means if you have a long text, actually these are few of my recordings I have already done for the testing and all, and if you just tap the summary, so for example I will just give in a brief in another application. So this let me tap, so it's currently I'm in the Samsung internet, so I am typing just global warming. So somebody sent somebody asked me to take a class on the global warming, and let me tap the global warming, and you can see, oh, actually I have just approximately 1 minute to have this read, but actually this contains approximately a 5-minute read. So what I do is I just tap this icon over here, and I'm gonna tell you what the summary is. We haven't seen the voice recorder also, there is a summary feature. Okay, you can see the exact summary what I have said will be in 5 bullet points. This is how even For example, if you are listening to a long lecture for 1 hour, just open your voice recorder and just listen to the recording for 1 hour. And then all you do is just end the recording after the 1 hour and just tap the summary. Then the 1 hour long lecture would be in just 5 or 6 bullet points, right? Like this. So that's it. And that same thing can be applicable on this web page. So this is the web page. I'm just going to tap this icon and just tap the summarize, and you can see summarizing. So it's taking a bit of time to summarize. Obviously it's fine, and you can see 1 2 3 4 5 in just 5 bullet points you can see the entire page. This is the entire page we are scrolling, and in just 5 bullet points. And next thing is we can also make use of the translate feature right now over here. Just tap the translate, and you can see it's Hindi. It would be automatically translating. Let's wait for a few seconds. You can see yes, the entire thing is translated to Hindi. Actually, it is taking a bit of time. You can see it's getting translated. Yeah, see now it automatically, yeah, that's it. I mean, so entire text is translated to Hindi. I'm just giving Hindi as an example. You can add languages, and you can see you can have a lot of options over here, but actually I just preferably use Hindi as my personal preference. So that's another cool interesting feature. And next, another cool interesting feature is if I am in any of the applications like YouTube, Play Store, whatever, Instagram, whatever application is, and actually I'm just gonna see, you can just I just had a photo of this watch, but I don't know which company is this and
status, moderate throttling.
which company is this. So I just need to just press and hold over here and just tap the watch. Just tap it. Instantly you can see where the watch is, where the purchase is linked, everything in just a glance. You can see everything, and it is not a random model, except a precise model with the precise model number would be here. So that's a really cool feature. And let's check one more feature. This is the Galaxy Buds Live with the mystic bronze color. So let me take a pic, and no need to take a pic. If you are in a YouTube, then you can just press and hold over here. So this is it. And again, I'm going to press and hold over here and just draw a circle over here. This is circle to search feature, and you can see instantly the Galaxy Buds Live Mystic Bronze appear over here, and which contains the direct purchase link to Amazon. If you just tap over here and let me tap on Amazon, and you can see it's automatically redirected to the Amazon website itself. So that's a perfect blend. And for example, if we were in the, once again, if I just press and hold over here, just so for example, I'll be doing one thing. This is a common design for a watch, right? But this is the exact model is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic LTE. So we are going to check in this scenario. So actually this is the Galaxy Watch, which is similar design for a lot of models, but actually I'm just drawing. Let's see whether it finds out. Oh, you can see the exact Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. How does even the watch face is not over here, but actually perfectly. And after that you can see it automatically goes to other brands, but still the watch is exactly, if we just give a tap, you can see instantly the purchase link would be here. I'll just tap and show it to you. You can see the exact same model which I'm having right now over here is over there. So that's really cool. And next is the phone dialer, and just tap the settings, and you can see the same option is also available over here. And if you just tap the text call, this is the Bixby text call, which was also available on the S23 Ultra as named as Bixby text call. That means we don't need to take any call, just automatically Bixby will answer the call, and we can just type and speak to the person on the other side. That's the text call. And next is the live translate, as we already seen the interpreter feature, like it is automatically translating from Hindi to English as we've seen over here. And this same thing can be implemented in a live call on the Galaxy S24, which is really cool in my personal preference. I want to show you something really interesting. So if you just tap the eye icon over here, this is in photos, and you can see it automatically. You can see in this photo you can have a reflection over here. So you can see 3 options. Background blur and remaster were already on the One UI previously, that means S23 Ultra with One UI 6.0, but in 6.1 you can see erase reflections. So if you just tap over here, you can see automatically it analyze this and automatically would be gone. You can see perfect, it erases the reflections perfectly. If I just, you can see this is out. See, you can literally see the difference. So that's a stunning feature. And a lot of that means if you just press and hold over here, that can be done. Here, just wait. Yeah, that is also can be done in the S23 Ultra. The S24 series only comes with 12 GB RAM by standard, and that's the only option. And we have an option of extending the RAM. You can just have the memory over here. You can it can be extended up to 8 GB also. You can see the RAM plus feature, but actually this would be using the 8 GB from your internal storage, and that effectively makes 12 plus 8 20 GB of RAM for your Galaxy S24 Ultra. And in the camera, we are getting the new 5x mode. It's because of the new periscope telephoto of 5x, and you can see you can now shoot in 1x, 2x, 3x, and 5x. And in the photo also you can now shoot in 0.6 ultra, 1x, 3x, 5x, and 10x, and you could go all the way to 30x and 100x. That was it regarding a quick showdown of the AI features of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So guys, stay tuned and subscribe. Signing off, it's Phone Mania.